automation. So I am using a Arduino IoT cloud to monitor the plant and control relay module to turn on and turn off the motor. It is motor is used for water flow through the pipe to the plant. So actually we move to the circuit diagram. Okay, so we move to the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. So I am also explain about. So ESP-32 equal to, so 22 is connected to relay module input. Then ground is connected to ground. 5 volt is connected to VCC. Next, so then ESP-32 and soil master. ESP-32 connected to output pin of soil master, and the ground is connected to ground, and 3.3 volt to VCC. Okay. Next, we move to the coding part. So I have a coding. So this is my coding part. So in this part I include the Arduino. So the Arduino IoT cloud is manage the library. So you don't need to include any library into Arduino IoT agent. So this copy this file and paste into the Arduino IoT sketch. So I declare the pin 32 is a soil master pin. It is used for analog pin. It gathers information from the sensor. So I declare 32 pin for output pin of soil master. Second, next I declare a relay for 22 pin. So and I initiate the state of relay is true. So next, so wide setup. In wide setup, 32 equal to input, pin mode equal to output. Next, normally the default value equal to digital write, 22 equal to true. So the relay will be after booting it's turned off. So wide on equal to plant monitoring change. So the float value equal to analog read of pin. This is a 32 pin. Read the value and plant monitoring equal to value. So the value is updated to plant monitoring. So I can declare the variable name is plant monitoring. So I declare the value to the plant monitoring. It will continuously update the value to the Arduino IoT cloud dashboard. So if you automate the process, you just take out the command and declare the if statement. So it automate the process. If you don't need to automate, if you don't want to automate, you can declare the relay state. The state 1 equal to low, the state 0 equal to high. So you can control the relay using Arduino IoT cloud. So if you don't want to control the relay module, so you can take reduce the command symbol and use the automate the process. So you can automate the process. Take out the command. You use the control. It is automate. If the level is decrease, then it start relay module, and if the level is reached, then the relay will be turn off. Okay. So a command. Okay. So now you want to change the value into 100. So now we get at 4950 the full value of analog value. So you can change into 100. What you do means value. So value. Okay, you declare plant. So monitoring equal to value divided by 4590. So So then you multiply into 100. Okay. So then you multiply into 100. Okay. So then you need to multiply the 100. You get a value 100. It is if you use a percentage value to calculate to monitor the moisture level, you can change the value into 100. But I don't need to calculate the value into 100. So I give a full information, full value. I declare a full value. The pin read 0 to 4590 4950. So I don't need convert to 1000. It take a latency, take high latency to change the monitor. So I use the same value to control to monitor the plant. So now we complete the coding part. We move to the hardware part. So I am excited to move to the plant part, automate part. It is very easy to control your monitor, and you can turn on the relay using switches. So we move to the hardware part. So this is my prototype. So after I complete my coding and a connection between ESP-32 and the relay module and soil moisture sensor. So now you see the value of soil moisture. So now the values, now you see the value of soil moisture. It is I use a IoT remote to monitor the plant water automation. So now I turn on the switch. So the motor will be turned on. Now you see the motor will be turned on. So you connect the pipe to the plant. It start flowing the water. So when I turn off the switch, it turn off. So you see the real-time monitoring, real-time feedback from the soil moisture sensor using ESP-32. Now I take out of the sand. So value will be increased. The value will be increased. You see. Okay.